Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today we are going to see a concept in class 5 in geometry, that is reflection or the mirror image. Now here you all can see a beautiful girl. Can you all see? Yeah, she's so beautiful, so lovely. Her name is Lovely. She looks lovely. Her name is also Lovely. Now Lovely is a good dancer. She wants to get ready for a dance program. So what she has to do? She has to dress her up and put makeup. Okay, so where will you do your dressing and makeup and all? In front of the mirror. So just like us, Lovely also goes and stands in front of the mirror. Now see, can you see Lovely in the mirror? How does she look? She looks so beautiful. Now this is Lovely. Lovely is our object. And you can see the same Lovely inside the mirror. So that is her image. What you see inside the mirror is image. What we are standing outside the mirror is the object. Now Lovely wants to see her closely. So she goes close to the mirror. So what happens to the image? That also comes close to the mirror, isn't it? So when you go close, when the object goes close, the image also comes close to the mirror. So you move away. Now she wants to see her full image. So she moves back. What happens to the image? The image also moves back. So when we move forward, image also comes forward. When we move backward, image also moves backward. And one more thing. Now you see Lovely's position. Her right hand is up. See her posture. Left hand is down. Now see in the mirror how it looks. See in the image. Here when you see the image, left hand is up and right hand is down. So what happens? Your left becomes right and right becomes left. The left and right sides changes. And one more thing. So how when you move forward, image moves forward. When you move backward, image moves backward. And right becomes left, left becomes right. But what about the size? Does Lovely looks fat in the mirror? Or does she look very thin in the mirror? No, she just looks the same. So the object and the image are same in size and shape. Only the sides left and right are changing. And about this, from the mirror, where Lovely is standing, the distance between the mirror and Lovely is same as the distance between the mirror and the image. That distance will be same. And one more thing, this mirror is called the axis of reflection or reflection axis. So the distance between mirror and Lovely is same as distance between the reflection axis is the mirror and the image. Okay, now we'll see the reflection of some English alphabets and numbers. See, you take H. This is H. This is the letter H. Now see in the mirror how it looks. It looks the same because left and right are the same. Now you see X. X also looks the same in the mirror. Now you take number 4. See, this is 4. This is 4. You see in the mirror how it looks. Look, see in the mirror. So I am showing in the mirror. Left has become right and right has become left. You see the letter B. See, this is B. This is letter B. Now you see in the mirror how it changes. You see the reflection of B. See mirror how it in the image how it changes. So the left hand side becomes right hand side and right hand side becomes left hand side. It doesn't change upside down. Only left become right and right becomes left. You see letter J. J, the curve is towards left. J. But when you see in the mirror, the curve is towards right. And same way you see S, letter S. This is S. Okay. Now you see in the mirror how it looks. Look at, see inside the mirror, the image, it changes. So like this, what you can do, write all the numbers from 0 to 9 and the letters from A to Z and see the reflection in the mirror and make a chart of it. And you can enjoy the mirror images. Now we'll see the textbook. See, a boy is standing here just like Lovely. Another boy, smart boy, is standing here. See, he is looking in his face inside the mirror. So he is the object and what you can see inside the mirror is the image. Both look the same, they look same in size and shape, and the distance between the mirror and the object is same as the distance between the mirror and the image. So what we have learnt with all this with examples, let us complete this, fill in the blanks. Look at it. Your image in the mirror is bigger, smaller or same size. How was the image? We saw lovely, no? Was she did she look fat or thin? No, she just looked the same as she is. So it is same size. This is the correct answer. You can write same size in the dash. Tick and write this in the dash, same size. Then when you go back, your image moves. How did lovely moved? When we brought her back, even the image also moved backward. When you move back, image also moves backward. Then the distance between you and mirror. You means when you stand inside the mirror, when in front of the mirror, the distance between you and the mirror and the distance between you and your image, actually it should be children, you and the mirror, and the distance between mirror and your image. If it is mirror and your image, then they will be equal. If it is the distance between mirror and the image, you and mirror, and mirror and image, they are equal. The distance between you and mirror and the image and the mirror will be always equal. Okay, this should be not you, mirror and your image. Mirror and you, mirror and your image, they are equal. Next, when you come forward to the mirror, your image moves forward. When you come forward means you're moving close. See, as we move, you take the number 1. I'll take the pencil. Pencil is the object here. When you move forward, image moves forward. When the object moves backward, can you see in the mirror also? The object also moves backward. So when you come forward to the mirror, your image moves forward. Okay, when you move backward, your image moves backward. Next is, when you raise your right hand, the image in the mirror looks like dash hand is rising. When you raise your right in the mirror, it looks as if you are raising your left hand. Right becomes left and left becomes right. And then, what is it? When you raise your left hand, the image in the mirror looks like dash hand is raising. When you move your left in the mirror, it looks as if you're moving your right. So right becomes left and left becomes right. And the last one, tick the image that shows the reflection of the given shape. So what is the reflection of this image? How will it change now? We'll draw it here. See, this is towards right. Right will become left. This side will become like this, and this down portion, it is the same. It will come down like this. So this, this is the image of the figure which is given in this box. Okay, so now your activity is you see the image of all the English alphabets, numbers. You cut it and write it in a paper and see inside the mirror and see the images, write the object, draw the object and the image and make an album. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.